Good morning, everyone. I hope you are having a great day so far. Today is Thursday, September 24th, 2020. It is day 5, so your special today is music, and it should be 11:45. I haven't heard anything different. I'll certainly let you know if I do, but I'm pretty sure 11:45 was from last week on is the time for music class, so that will be today. And it is the 17th day of school, which I can't believe time flies, right? When you're having fun. The 17th day of school. So I did update our Rec and Rec, and we've been learning how to count the 10 way. And as I mentioned yesterday in math, it may kind of seem unusual at first, but you'll see, once you get used to it, and I'm even getting used to it, it starts to make sense, and it starts to will help us with future math. So we've counted 10 on the top, and then we have 10 1, 10 2, 10 3, 10 4, 10 5, 10 6, and today would be 10 7. Very good, 10 7. All right, so before we, oh, and I did our coins, forgot to mention the coins. We have our dime worth 10, a nickel worth 5, and then 2 pennies. So this dime and nickel take us to 15, so then we can count on 16 cents, 17 cents. All right, very good. So if you would like to join me to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, and then we'll go over our schedule for today. So here, flag, and I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, excellent. So for today, first thing coming out this morning at 9 will be your application problem like you've been doing. And then the other activity this morning will be related to Tomas. And it's actually a little bit of an art type project. So what you're going to do, and all the directions are on the activity, but I just wanted to quickly share here as well. If you could just find at home a plain piece of paper. If you have plain white paper, great. If it is, a light colored construction paper, whatever you have around, that's handy. If you don't have a paper and you needed to use like the back of one of the spelling test papers, you could do that. But what you're going to do is have your paper going this way, and then you are going to draw, and I'll show you mine in just a second. You're going to draw a line going down the center like this, and that's called vertically or vertical when that goes up and down. And then you're going to draw a line going across the middle, and that's called horizontal, going side to side, so that you end up with 4 boxes on your page. And then what you're going to do is in this top corner, this top first box, you're going to write Tomas up at the top like this. And then in this box, you are going to draw a portrait of Tomas. And if you remember from the beginning of the year, we made a self-portrait where you drew a picture of yourself. This time, it's just going to be a portrait, which is a picture of someone else. So you will draw a picture of Tomas reading a book, and use the space, kind of like have his face, fill up the space here as best you can. And if you want to just kind of show from like this, the top part of his body, and show him reading, that will be the assignment this morning, in addition to the application problem. Now, with this paper, if you could just take a quick picture of it to send to us. But then here's the important part about this one. This is actually what we're doing here is starting to make the cover for our end of module task. So when we finish reading all the books in this first module, we'll put together a final project at the end of that, a final writing, and this will be the cover where it will have the different characters that we've read about, starting with Tomas. So I would suggest once you do this, if you could just tuck this away in a safe place. I think probably putting it in your red folder where you keep your spelling lists and word building pages, your blank spelling test papers and blank word building papers. If you maybe just tuck this on the other side of the folder and just tuck it away safe when you're finished with it, that would be great, so that we'll have it for when we get to that point. Okay, so that will be this morning at 9. At 10, we will have our live class like we always do. We will take our spelling test. So if you could just bring a blank spelling test paper. That's the one with the numbers up to 12, and then there's 4 for the high frequency words, and then a spot for the sentence. So you won't need any letters for today, just the spelling test paper. And then we will continue, again, wrapping up Tomas. We're going to work on Tomas today and tomorrow. So after our spelling test, we'll talk a little bit about Tomas and kind of the final little writing for that. And then at 1 o'clock, we'll have our math as we normally do. So that is the plan for today. If you have any questions, if you need anything, please let me know. And I will see everybody soon. All right, thanks so much.